Yo, what's up everybody? It's Alex Demi. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cloud hosting, and trust me, things are about to get interesting. We're talking about the tech that powers a huge chunk of the internet and whether it's the right choice for you. We'll be exploring the advantages and disadvantages of cloud hosting, breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. Think of it like this. So cloud hosting is like renting a supercomputer on demand instead of having a server just sitting in your basement. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Not quite. We'll also be taking a hard look at the potential downsides, like security concerns and the dreaded internet outage. And of course, we'll compare it to traditional hosting so you can decide which one comes out on top. Stick around, it's going to be epic.
All right, first up, let's talk about what makes cloud hosting so appealing. Imagine this. Your website traffic suddenly explodes, like goes viral levels of crazy. With traditional hosting, you'd be scrambling to upgrade your server, hoping it doesn't crash under the pressure. But with cloud hosting, you just scale up your resources instantly. It's like magic, but instead of wizards, it's super fast servers doing the heavy lifting. This flexibility is a game changer, especially for businesses that see fluctuations in demand. And speaking of game changers, let's talk about cost. With traditional hosting, you're paying for that server 24/7. Whether it's being utilized or not, it's like leaving your lights on when you leave the house. Wasteful, right? Cloud hosting, on the other hand, lets you pay as you go. You only pay for the resources you actually use, which can lead to some serious cost savings, especially for smaller businesses or startups. Plus, think about all the headaches you avoid. No more dealing with hardware maintenance, software updates, or server crashes. Cloud providers handle all that for you, so you can focus on what matters most: growing your business, creating awesome content, or just, living your life. But it's not just about scalability and cost. Cloud hosting also offers incredible flexibility. Need to set up a new website or application quickly? No problem. Cloud providers have got you covered with pre-configured templates and easy-to-use interfaces. It's like having a digital toolbox at your fingertips, ready to build whatever you can dream up. And because your data is stored across multiple servers, you get built-in redundancy. So even if one server goes down, your website or app stays up and running. That's some next-level reliability right there.
Now, before you go all in on cloud hosting, let's address the elephant in the room: security. Anytime you're dealing with sensitive data online, security should be a top priority, and cloud hosting is no exception. While cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, there's always the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. It's like leaving your valuables in a really secure vault. It's probably fine, but you're still going to worry about it a little, right? That's why it's crucial to choose a reputable cloud provider with a strong track record of security and compliance. Look for features like data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. Another thing to consider is your reliance on the internet. Cloud hosting requires a stable internet connection. If your internet goes down, so does your website or app. Imagine this: you're about to close a huge deal and bam, the internet decides to take a nap. Not a good look. That's why it's smart to have a backup plan like a secondary internet connection or offline access to critical data. And while cloud providers strive for maximum uptime, occasional downtime is a reality. Servers can malfunction, software can glitch, and even the most robust systems can experience hiccups. It's like that feeling when your favorite app crashes right before you finish a level. Frustrating, right? That's why it's essential to factor in potential downtime and have contingency plans in place. Remember, cloud hosting isn't a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It requires careful planning, regular monitoring, and proactive management to ensure optimal performance, security, and reliability.
All right, let's break down the key differences between cloud hosting and traditional hosting.
Think of traditional hosting like owning a car. You've got your own set of wheels, you're in control, but you're also responsible for maintenance, repairs, and finding parking.
Cloud hosting, on the other hand, is like hailing a ride-sharing service. You get from point A to point B, but you don't have to worry about the hassle of ownership.
With traditional hosting, you're renting physical servers from a hosting provider. These servers are all yours, which gives you more control over your hosting environment. But it also means you're responsible for managing the server, installing software updates, and ensuring its security.
Cloud hosting, on the other hand, utilizes a network of virtualized servers. This means your website or app is hosted on a shared infrastructure, but don't worry, it's still incredibly powerful and reliable.
Cost-wise, traditional hosting often involves fixed monthly or annual fees, regardless of your actual usage. It's like having a gym membership you rarely use but still have to pay for.
Cloud hosting offers more flexible pricing models, allowing you to scale your resources up or down and only pay for what you use.
When it comes to management, traditional hosting requires a bit more technical expertise. You'll need to be comfortable with server administration, security protocols, and software updates.
Cloud hosting simplifies things with user-friendly interfaces and managed services, making it more accessible for users with varying technical skills.
So, which one's right for you? It all depends on your specific needs and technical proficiency. If you need complete control over your hosting environment and have the technical chops to manage it, traditional hosting might be a good fit.
But if you're looking for scalability, cost-effectiveness, and ease of use, cloud hosting is the way to go.
That's it for our deep dive into the world of cloud hosting. We've covered the good, the bad, and the sometimes confusing. Hopefully, you're now equipped to make informed decisions about your hosting needs. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns and comparisons. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Are you team cloud hosting or team traditional hosting? Keep those conversations going, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.